Hi guys, welcome you all for the PM lectures. Today we are going to see a topic called construction of an parabola by eccentrical method. First, let us see the question now. This is the question we have. So in the question itself, directly they given the word parabola. Sometimes they won't give the word. Instead of that, they given E is equal to 1. That means eccentricity is equal to 1. From that, we can identify it's a parabola problem. So first step is we need to identify whether it's a parabola problem or what. So after identification of parabola problem, in the parabola, so there is no ratio for the E value because E is equal to 1. We know that here. So what is meant by E means E is equal to VF divided by CV. What is meant by V? V is vertex and the F is focus, and again the V is vertex and C is midpoint on the directrix. Okay, we know that very clearly these things. Here what is happening means, see, the VF is one part or one node, you can say it as, and the CV is also one node. So automatically this will be cancelled. E is equal to 1. So the vertex will be in the midpoint of distance between the directrix and the focus. It is present always in the midpoint. Let us see. The first step is we need to draw a vertical line as it is. So I need to give the name for the points A and B. After that, this vertical line is called as directrix. You can say it as directrix. After finding the directrix, we need to find a midpoint on this directrix. That midpoint is called as C. And then you need to draw a horizontal line. That line is called an axis. See in the visualization here, clearly you can understand. See a vertical line and then give the name as AB, and then it is called as directrix. After directrix, we need to find a midpoint on the this directrix line and then give the name as C. After that, you need to draw a horizontal line. That line is called an axis. See now. See, this is the visualization. Clearly you can identify. After this, we need to find a focus point on the horizontal axis for the information provided in the question. Here, the distance between the directrix and the focus is given as 50 mm. So we need to mark a 50 mm distance from the point of C. From the point of C, we need to mark a 50 mm and give the name as focus F. See the like this. So after finding the focus point, we need to find a vertex point. Here it is a parabola problem. So the V is find in between the C and F, in the midpoint of distance between the C and F. This is called vertex. Okay. After finding the vertex, from the vertex point 10 mm gap, you need to draw a vertical line in the axis. Like this we need to draw. Up to 6 to 8 lines you can draw like this and give the name. This is 0.1, 2, 3, like this. You need to give the names. After that, you should draw a tabular column if you need it, otherwise this is not required. For understanding purpose only we drawn. So take a compass and measure the distance of TC to 1. C to 1 you need to measure. After measuring, put an arc with F as center. Keep one leg of your compass in F and make an arc both up and down. Similarly, C2, measure it from using compass. C2, measure F as center, make an arc. Similarly, continue the step. C2 3, measure and F as center, make an arc. Similarly, C2 4, measure FS center using compass, make an arc. And similarly C to 5, measure it, FS center, make an arc. Similarly C to 6S, measure the distance, FS center, make an arc. Like this we need to make an arc. Okay, see now the arc will be like this. After drawing all the arcs, from the V point we need to draw a curve. That curve will passes through the arc center point. Like this we need to make an arc. Up to now you can use H or 2H pencil. After drawing all the things, again take HP pencil and draw the curve darkly once again. Okay, so it will be look like this. You can understand here very clearly. Okay guys, it will be look like this. All other things are in a lighter manner. You can use H pencil or 2H pencil, or only the curve we can use HP pencil. Okay, after that take compass. So if you have any condition given in the question for draw the tangent normal, you can follow that. Otherwise, from the focus point, mark a point in the curve anywhere in the curve only. After drawing, you can draw a line to join the curve point and give the name as P. Okay, like this. And this line also in a darker manner, you can use HP pencil for drawing the tangent normal like this. Okay, after drawn this, from the point, okay, after drawn this, from this focus P point, use your protractor like this. You can use the protractor. From that, mark a line for 90° that will touch the directrix and give the name as tan T like this. So after that, from the T point, need to draw a line. That line will passes over the curve, will not cross inside the curve like this. Sorry guys, it will come inside, it will pass over the curve and give the name as T, and then you can draw the tan normal line like this and give the name as N. Okay, that's all guys. It will be passed like this. Okay, thank you guys.